Welcome back to All Beoli Design, where I share free alteration tutorial and much more. In this case, I want to show you how to adjust the skirt. For example, I pinned on a customer, we need to adjust half inch at the waistband and a little bit of the skirt. So let me show you how to do it. First, I will measure with my ruler to make sure I do know exactly how much I have to adjust, and also I measure how far on the skirt I have to adjust. And now I have to open the band. The band I will open a little bit more than 1 inch. For example, if you have to adjust total 1 inch, open 1.5 so that way it will be comfortable for you to adjust and then sew everything back just as original the skirt was. To open the band, I will have to use the seam ripper and make sure do not pull the fabric thread, only the thread that we need to remove. After opening, you can turn to the wrong side and you can see the band is made with two front and back side, and this is our skirt, and we also have to open and detach the band from the skirt part. As you see, we have top stitch. After that, we can start also mark exactly how much we have to take in, which is half inch, and also you can use the ruler to mark with the chalk. So first I will adjust the skirt part, which is half inch and around 5 inches long, where we have to meet exactly the stitch where the original skirt had. After we adjust the skirt part, we have to adjust the band. The band is with two details, which you see inside and front part, so we have to open between them as well. After we open all details, now we are ready to adjust the band part too. So we're gonna adjust them separate and then we will have to sew them back just how to it adjust was, we have before. To make sure the edges are exactly same, and then we're gonna mark half inch. Don't forget, when we adjusting, we have to do the back stitch at the beginning and at the end of this stitch. After we're gonna adjust, we have to open the old seam because our allowance is gonna be open. Usually we do cut the allowance and leave half inch, but my customer asked to leave the extra allowance inside just in case, and that's what I'm gonna do. And also on a second part we will adjust same half inch. Also we're gonna remove the old stitch and open allowance. After we did that, we are ready to sew everything back together how originally was. As you see, I'm trying to sew the upper part and also open the allowance and also match the seam from both band lines. And then we're just gonna stitch it 1/4 just how it was before. Now we'll turn the band inside out and you can see how our band is ready to go. We're gonna need to also do the top stitch as on the skirt, the top stitch originally it was, but I want to make sure the allowance also is on one side and other side are pretty smoothly. We also have to double check the allowance because sometimes because allowance is bunched up, our band is gonna look so thick, so that's why we want to make sure to press it and arrange the allowance just how the original dress was before. Next, we will sew the skirt part with the top part on the bottom with the band. But to make sure it's smoothly, I want to make sure to press it a little bit so our skirt looks pretty quality and pretty thin as well. Now we're ready to do the top stitch on the top part of the band. Next, we're gonna sew the skirt part to one of the detail of the band. As you see the allowance, make sure it turn to the back side. Then we'll take the allowance from the band and then we're gonna sew it together. Make sure the top part of the band is up and you don't sew it together with the skirt because this will cover all the allowance and all the allowance will be inside. After all it's sewed, now we're gonna hide the allowance inside and the top part of the band is gonna cover right on top. And all we're gonna need to do is the top stitch from the right fabric, and that's all. You can also add pins, but make sure if you have a home machine, remove them please under sewing machine because it can break the needle. Now I'm just gonna do the top stitch, same distance as original dress. And that's all. Our sides is adjusted on the skirt. Make sure also the seam is matching and we're gonna press it one more time to make sure everything is good to go. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial will help you a lot in the future, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new for more free alteration tutorial. Appreciate every single of you and wish you all the best.